Amid the growing concerns over the spate of insecurity in the country, the Nasarawa State Governor, Abdullahi Sule, has said that Nigeria's military requires more resources to address the killings in the north-central part of the country. Sule disclosed these as a guest on Channels Television's Politics Today on Thursday, explained that the military needs more support in form of technology and communication, among others, to effectively deal with the situation. The north-central state of Benue and Plateau have come under a heavy wave of attacks that have left scores dead, homes destroyed, and several residents displaced. The Benue State Governor, Hyacinth Halia, on Monday confirmed that the death toll from the attacks on the Ukom and Logo local government areas by bandits had risen to 72. He also urged the federal government to urgently step up security surveillance in Benue. However, Governor Sule said, the lengthy discussion we had with the general yesterday has shown that we must introduce more resources in form of technology, in the form of people, then the biggest of them all, in the form of communication to support the military. He also reiterated the position of the Benue State Governor that the attackers are not Nigerians.
Well, I think the security agencies are the best to answer that, because they are able sometimes to do that, and sometimes they are able also tell us to be careful what they tell us and what we say and what we disclose and things like that. So they are in a better position to tell you which particular nation they are from. But those countries you are talking about, all the way to Senegal, if you look at it, the people look alike, from Mali, Senegal, Burkina Faso, Niger, Chad, and the rest of that, they look more or less alike. So it's very difficult for anybody to identify and say, oh, they are from Mali.
He added that it was difficult to monitor Nigerian borders with neighboring countries. While this has generated mixed reactions, some supported his stance, while some opposed it. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply this story for more news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.